Trae Young is taking his talents to the next level as the potential lottery pick has declared for the NBA draft. Young is coming off a spectacular freshman season at Oklahoma, in which he averaged 27 points and almost 9 assists a game as the Sooners earned an NCAA tournament berth, being ousted by Rhode Island in the first round. Now, among the accomplishments in his lone collegiate season, Young was selected Big 12 Freshman of the Year. He tied the NCAA single-game assist record with 22 dimes against Northwestern State, and he shattered the conference's freshman scoring record with 848 regular season points, passing Kevin Durant and Michael Beasley and becoming the only freshman to reach 800 points in a regular season in the last 20 years in any conference. Young is expected to start training for the pre-draft process with a trainer in California. The 2018 NBA draft is June 21st.